bonggang-bongga. Let's go! Ay, ang sweet! Ang dami, may mga gift pa sila for you guys. Chico! Sa yung funny gag na 2018 pa siya last nakita. Grabe naman, reunion pala to. Nakaka-touch naman, te. Ginawa mo reunion to yung Bad Genius Baltimore. Smile! O, dito lang po tayo sa gitna. Yan. Alright, smile! Ito na po, may second batch pa tayo ng fans. Nandito sila. Go ahead, guys. Oh, wait lang. Oo. Ano lang, alalayan na natin yung stage. Relax ka. Oo. Gusto natin maliwanay na afternoon, walang casualty. Oo, gusto natin masaya lang tayo lahat nakauwi. At makita yung mga idol natin. Alright, thank you so much! Next batch na po tayo. Ay! 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 Sila ate! Nakawala! Ay! Dito po tayo sa side na ito. Kaya mo yan, te. Make sure may boses ka pa pauwi. Pasok ka pa sa work? Ibang level, idol. Salamat tayo pumunta ka rito. Guys, tingin kayo sa official camera, please. Alright, smile. Gab, yung pumunta sa inyo, kapapasok ka ng trabaho. Walang pahinga-pahinga para kay Gab. Ganun ba yun? Oo. Jai, ito. Save the best for last daw, Jai. Tinan mo yung fans mo. May parang may cake. Tsaka topless photo mo. Agaw eksena ka kanina. Aww. Alright, thank you so much sa lahat na bumisita dito sa SM Manila para i-celebrate ang Bad Genius Pilot airing today, 5:50 p.m. sa TV5. Mga kapatid, please also download the Signal Play app and follow TV5 on its social media pages. I hope na enjoy kayo sa afternoon bonding natin with Natasha Mulak, Gab Lagman at Jairus Aquino, and enjoy Bad Genius, the series. Don't forget the schedule, Saturdays po yan, 5:15 p.m. sa TV5. Alright. Again, ako po si MJ Marfori. Thank you so much, everybody.
watch the original Bad Genius movie and series for inspiration, or did you want to bring a fresh take to your character?
Of course naman, we watched for me personally, I watched yung US tapos yung Thai version, yung movie and series. Pero while watching, I go, how can I little bit different? How do I make it different from the character? And luckily, thanks to Direk and the whole team, they were able to rewrite the story in a way where it's more relatable to the Filipinos.
Oo, importante yun. Kasi bakit? Kahit na gumawa kami ng panibagong touch namin dun sa character, ako yun na naisip ko, kahit gumawa ka ng panibagong touch dun sa character, kailangan ma-remain yung core ni Bang kasi yun yung nakilala ng mga tao na Bang. So at the end of the day, what's important is you leave the core, right? Kung paano siya nagsimula hanggang sa iba't ibang adaptation. But ang babaguhin lang natin is paano siya sa mom niya, paano siya outside the school, paano siya sa school. So, and ibang atake lang siguro, ibang klaseng personality a little bit. But the core itself, dapat manatili yun. Kaya importante na mapanood yun. Kaya pinanood ko talaga.
Actually, assignment talaga namin yan, panoorin yung Thai series. Before we started, and then before we went to workshop, kailangan namin aralin kung paano talaga yung characters namin. Pero syempre, Direk didn't want to do copy and paste. He wanted a, Filipino version of Pat when it comes to his dad or how, kung gaano siya ka-loud. Sa akin, mas gusto niya mas loud ako eh. Instead na si Pat na mas... Actually, gusto niya mas, tame down si Pat na hindi ganun ka... Gusto niya yung parang... what's that show again?
Alam mo ito kay lalaki?
Gossip Girl.
Yung lalaki na gusto niya.
Chuck Bass.
Chuck Bass, yeah. Yun yung gusto
Panahon
sa akin ni Direk. Alam ah. But yeah.
Wow! Okay ka na, ate? Ito na.
Si Jason Beck.
Oh, eto, guys, of course, final words lang. Siyempre, bago natin ma-meet ang ating mga nagtanong kanina at photo op, what do you want to say about Bad Genius and what they'll really expect if it's their first time to watch it?
Ganda ng tanong din yan, MJ! What to expect? Of course, this is gonna be a new touch to Bad Genius. This is the Philippine adaptation. And for me personally, I just want to thank everyone for coming here today. And I want to, more importantly, thank everyone who's been supporting Bad Genius from the very beginning. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the show because we gave everything that we could. Thank you.
Yeah, syempre first of all, thank you for coming here, guys. And also, yung support ninyo from episode 1 to the last episode, sobrang ramdam namin yun. Nagbabasa kami, lahat yun na-appreciate namin and very thankful kami and grateful sa support ninyo. And hopefully, sana ganun pa rin, kahit napanood nyo na, let's take this opportunity na mapanood siya sa Free TV. Let's spread the good news na nasa Free TV tayo ngayon every Saturday. So, ayun, again, maraming salamat.
Yes, first of all, thank you po sa time nyo na pagpunta dito. Appreciate you guys. And of course, thank you sa TV5 that you guys are letting us, Signal Play, for letting us play sa Free TV. Sa mga nanood since episode 1 na natapos niya, maraming salamat po sa pag-support. And sana supportan niyo po rin po. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. May I invite you, Tash, Jairus, and of course, Gab, dito sa gitna ng stage. And of course, groovy daw. Groovy daw muna. Madaming set ng photo to, kaya nila. Sulit ang pagpunta rito sa SM Manila. Alright? Kaya mo yan, te! Kaya mo yan! Alright, smile ka muna. Ate, smile muna kayo. Smile muna kayo. Kasama dito sa groovy. Ready? Smile! Ito may mga humahabol. May mga humahabol. Smile! Smile! O, isa pa